Hell Peiton Ramen from Kens Ramen. It's looking pretty damn good so far. I gotta try the broth first. This is a 30-hour chicken broth. I'm gonna see how it is. Wow. Whoa. So creamy and rich. It's just mega chicken flavor. Oh my God, hang on. Oh, this is delicious. It's just such concentrated chicken. Oh my goodness. Okay. As is most deliveries, the ramen's a little clumped up, but it looks good. It's breaking up without me doing too much force to it. Let me try the egg before all the yolk spills in. And they say it's called a hell ramen, but it's not that spicy. It's very handleable. That egg is perfect. The yolk got whatever soy sauce they put it in, completely soaked in. It's great. Very good so far. Oh my God. Oh, let's see. So it's like kind of whitish ramen. It's not very alkaline-y, like yellowy. They say this is al dente. Let me pour some of that soup on there. Got all that flavor in there. Let's see how it is. This is very legit. And it traveled well. This place is not too far from me, but it traveled really well. There's still a slight bounce to the noodle. I'm sure if you eat it in person there, it's gonna be more bouncy and more al dente. This is very good. Oh, I do have to say, on Uber Eats, this place actually gives you an option to like a DIY kit. So I'm guessing the ramen will come uncooked. So if you want to do that and boil it yourself, it's probably a good idea. I just got the ready to eat kit. Very bouncy. This is great. That broth is unbelievably good. It's very thick. It's almost thick to the point it's gelatinous, which a lot of ramen places are. And a lot of times I prefer like a lighter ramen, so you know I don't feel so full and like stuffed up afterwards. But this, when it's this good, it's worth every drip of calorie in this soup. And of course, I'm gonna try the pork char siu. It's a chicken broth ramen, but I got the pork char siu over it. You see, it's very nice and glistening because of the broth. The broth is so creamy. Really thin slice. A lot of fat. My nose is already running from the spice, but it's really not that spicy. That char siu is great. They charred it really right, and it doesn't taste like butane, where sometimes I feel like they squirt too much of that butane bottle on it. This is really good. Oh my God. Let me try a couple more bites. Noodle has a great bounce, and it really did travel well. It's not just a mushy mess. And it really helps to heat up the soup, just the broth part, before you eat it when you get delivered. I got my trusted 7-spice, Japanese ramen seasoning. Don't even need it for this video. I remember when I first started making money on Silicon Valley, I would go to Tatsu Ramen every night at 1 a.m. after I go to the comedy clubs. And I was like, I can't get fat. I'm Asian and I was young. And then between season 4 and 5, I think I gained about 30 pounds, and you can really see it on the screen. But man, this is worth every bit of it. I gotta give it more than a 9. This is more than a 9, I think. I'm gonna give it 9.2. This Kens Ramen, 9.2 on taste on a Jimmy score. This broth is so tasty. The spice is not overwhelming. I do wish they have some more special toppings. The pork's really good, but maybe just something a little more. maybe a couple menma here and there, something like that. And I do wish we didn't have to order the egg on the side. I wish it just came with half an egg and I'll be satisfied. So 9.2 on taste, which is one of the highest scores I've ever given. And on value, $17 plus delivery. The fact that you got to pay for your own egg knocked it down a point. You know, I'm going to give it, I mean, it's so tasty. I don't know how the joint looks like inside, so I don't know if you're paying for like the atmosphere or whatever. I'm going to give it a fair 7.5 on the value. And I'm going to stop doing combined scores, you know, because that's not fair. So straight up, this is a 9.2. 9.2 on taste, 9.2 out of 10 on the Jimmy score. That's a new scale, just out of 10. And you know what? If your value is over an 8, I'm gonna give you a good deal stamp. This didn't get the good deal stamp, but it's goddamn delicious. 9.2, Kens Ramen, highly recommended, Virgil Avenue. And you know what? Comment below whatever you want me to taste next. I think this ramen series would be cool, right? Try all the ramen in LA, and I'm about to go to Vancouver again soon. Ramen Danbo in Vancouver is really good. I'll do a video like this in Vancouver. Let me know. Let me know what you want me to review. Let me know what you want me to cook. Comment below. And like all the YouTubers say, you know, smash that like button, subscribe. What else do they say? You know, I'm gonna knock out Floyd Mayweather. I don't know. I'm going too far with this YouTube stuff now. But you know, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying making this home content for you guys. This is very good in Jimmy's Taste Tester.